G'day cocktail lovers. This is one of those cocktails that first caught my eye because of the name. Someone does an interesting name for a cocktail, I'll usually look twice. The actual name of this is Thou Shall Not Be Named. And the starting point was apparently the Boulevardier recipe, but it's diverged quite a bit. It has agave spirits rather than whiskey, and instead of Campari, it has a more herbal Amaro in there. Those all sound good to me, so I want to give it a taste. Ooh, I love it because it's a bit of mezcal in a cocktail, just some smokiness in there, works really well. I'll take you quickly through the ingredients. 2 agave spirits in this one. We're going with some reposado tequila as the base and a little bit of mezcal in there as well. Like I said, I just love that little smoky kick from the mezcal. The 2 modifiers in this, I'm using Amaro Montenegro. I do not actually have the same Amaro as the creator of the cocktail. Can't have everything, but I'm also putting some sweet vermouth in there. So it's relatively straightforward. I'll show you how to make it. In a mixing glass, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of reposado tequila, then 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of mezcal, follow that with 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of Amaro, and finally 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of sweet vermouth. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then I'm pouring that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of sexy clear ice and garnishing it with a twist of orange peel and maraschino cherry on a skewer. Possibly another reason that attracted me to this drink when it was recommended to be served in a rocks glass on ice. I went, yes, time to use some sexy clear icing because it's a stirred cocktail and the elements aren't particularly dark. It just looks really nice in the glass. So it's a bit of faffing around to make clear ice, not that hard. I'll be linking you to a video that shows you by far the easiest way to do it. But some people go, oh, why bother? It looks cool. Why do you need other reasons? If you want other reasons, it actually melts more slowly than regular ice as well. But I'm going with looks cool. If you haven't tried it before, definitely try making some clear ice by following my link. I think it's fun and it's a cool end result. But whatever you do, wherever you're drinking, whether it's clear ice or just cloudy ice, just have a good time. I hope you look after yourself and I hope you come back to see me again sometime soon. But until I do see you again, I'll say cheers.